Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. This is one of those robot vacuum cleaners. This one is Eufy. You guess as good as mine how you say that. But if you have one of these and you're getting a solid red light and 4 or more beeps, here's the problem. Here's the problem. The brush is stuck. And the brush comes out very easily. Just unclip this little blue cage here with these 2 clips where my thumb is. One there, and lift it out. And this is what it's going to look like. And you're going to have to take a razor blade and cut away all that stuff that's wrapped around the brush. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so that's what I got off of it. I've got it pretty clean, and I just got tired of picking off the little pieces. I would use a knife like this or any sharp knife. I'll put a link in the description for this knife. I kind of like these because you can put as much blade out as you want. It locks, and then you can store extra blades inside and very easily replace them. So it's a real handy knife, and it just kind of stays sharp because you keep putting new blades in there. So this goes back, drops in. Let's see. Oops, I think I've got it reversed. Yeah, one side is right there. That's the drive side. That's got a motor that drives this thing around. And the other side just lays in there. Make sure these wheels are clean especially, but really this is a maintenance thing. You're going to have to do this every so often, depending on how often you use the device. And eventually you probably have to replace these when these get worn down. And you'll have to replace these too. But I really do like this Eufy, whatever it is called. Put that power position off. And this goes back on. Let's see. Is it like that? Hold on, I need to get my flashlight out. Yeah. Right where I'm shining the light, there's 2 clip areas that way. Hold on, I need 2 hands. Okay, so the clippy parts go towards the diagnostics label. Okay, so to get it running again, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click the bell if you want notifications. As I get any more of these codes, I will make a new video for you, okay? Be safe, have fun. Happy 4th of July. Froggy out. Bye-bye. One more quick little place to clean. This wheel here. Very gently pop it out. It just snaps in and snaps out. And you can lift it right out. There's just a pin that goes through there. And you can take those little things. Those 2 were wrapped around there. It'll make that turn better. Okay?